Hello students, have you practiced that 30 questions? So can we move to the next question? In this, again in today's class also I will explain 30 questions, next 30 questions. The question number 31, the same question, find the derivative of each of the following. X square plus 1 upon x square. Let us start this as y is equal to, and here I wrote x square plus x raised to minus 2. This I took in the numerator. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is, what is x to the power 2? 2 into x, because x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, and this is plus. This is 2x plus into minus is minus. Yes. Question number 32. Now, shall I write it y is equal to directly? Let y is equal to, and we are familiar with the differentiation of root x. That's why I kept as it is, and this I took in the numerator. Differentiating with respect to x. Yes, what is the differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. This is 6. Plus, and in the bracket I wrote minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. This is 1 by 2 root x. This I wrote directly from that formula list. Yes, the following. Next question. And please practice each and every question, then only you feel very easy about the chain rule and or differentiation of a function. Easily you can, fatafat you can solve that question. Question number 32. 32 I completed. 33. See, here I am writing directly y is equal to, correct? Now this we can solve by two methods. One method is you can apply u by v method, quotient rule. And in the denominator we have only simple term, that's why I am writing like this. Instead of u by v. Before differentiation, I kept this as it is. This is 1 and this is x. So differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x. But already we are familiar. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. So we write like this. First I write positive number, then I write a negative number. Y is equal to. Here also, if you want, you can apply previous method, or you can apply u by v method. Differentiating. Now I am writing u by v method. Open that formula list. Differentiation of, let's just see. Differentiation of u by v is what? V into differentiation, that is denominator v. Before differentiation means keep as it is. This is the formula. So what is v here? V means root x. Root x as it is. Before differentiation there is no change. So I have the formula because I want the place here. Please note down that formula. And middle minus comes. Next, this we treat a constant. Differentiation of root x divided by denominator square. Yes. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 3. Differentiation of x is 1. No need to write that 1 because 3 into 1 is 1 and differentiation of 1 will be 0. Minus. Now this is before differentiation. Keep as it is. And differentiation of root x is here root x whole square is x. No need to remove the bracket and simplify. The terms are not get cancels anywhere, so keep as it is. Y is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square. See, whatever is the power, if you are thorough with the chain rule, still we are not started the chain rule. That's why I am not explaining chain rule. First I will apply a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here x and x get cancels. X square I kept as it is. 1 by x square will be written as x to the power minus 2 and plus 2. Differentiate this. Remember the same question I will explain when we start the chain rule. Dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, middle plus minus 2x to the power minus 2 minus 1 and plus 0. Plus into minus is minus. This is question number 35. Moving to next question 36. X square plus 1 upon x whole square. So here also apply a plus b whole square. X square whole square first simplify. X to the power 4 and this I took in the numerator. 1x is cancelled with this 2x. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to, it is 4x cube, correct? Plus minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 into differentiation of 1 will be 0. So it is 4x cube plus into minus is minus 2 x to the power minus 3. So I wrote x raised to 3 here plus question number 37. Y is equal to plus sin x. Middle which sign we have? Plus. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. I kept to 1 by 2 as it is. Middle plus means they are separate. See, x square by 2, how you write? X square by 2 will be written as 1 by 2 into x square, correct or not? So I kept 1 by 2 as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Plus, what is the differentiation of sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x. These two and these two get cancelled. X plus cos x. Is it clear or what? Moving to the next question. 38. Question number 38. Y is equal to please keep your that formula list with you. constant. What is the differentiation of cosecant? Minus cosecant into cot. Minus 4 as it is. Differentiation of cot is y is equal to see, it is understood if only log x is given means it is nothing but log x to the base e. Differentiating with respect to x. Now keep that formula list with you. This is dy upon dx. Two constant. Yes, see that formula list and tell me what is the differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x plus 3 as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This 2 and this 2 get cancels. Next, question number 40. Find dy upon dx. See, they give the question like this, where y is equal to 1 by x plus 2 by x square plus 3 by x cube plus 4 by x raised to 4. See, you have a formula list with you. Out of these 4, we are familiar with the differentiation of 1 by x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. That's why I kept as it is. The remaining I wrote as differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square plus 2 I kept as it is. N, same formula whatever we did in the last, x raised to n. Because of negative I am writing each and every step. It is minus 4 x to the power minus 4 minus 1 plus into minus is minus 2 to the 4. Everywhere it is like that. And they are negative, that's why I am writing in the denominator. Correct. Next questions. Question number 41. If f of x is equal to see, this I wrote as minus 1 raised to even power is plus. So this becomes 3 minus 3. It is 0. Next. Question number 42. If y is equal to middle minus, find upon dx when x is 1. So the given problem I wrote as root x minus x raised to minus half. That root x I took in the numerator. Differentiating with respect to x. Yes. Have you remembered what is the differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x minus, this is minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1. This is minus into minus plus. When x is equal to 1. That means after differentiation, wherever x is there, you have to write 1. Is 1 upon 2 root 1 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2. That is 1. Question number 43. Now same question continues. Differentiate with respect to x or find the derivatives. And here also in the denominator we have a only single term. That's why instead of applying u by v, I will write like this. Before differentiation. If you apply u by v also, that is correct. Wherever cancellation is there, go for that cancellation. Then how you write this? X to the power minus 2. Now differentiate. dy upon dx is equal to, yes, what is the differentiation of x raised to minus 2? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4. This is how we are solving. Moving to next question. Y is equal to see, if the terms are simple, you can multiply. 2 brackets are there. Otherwise, this complete first bracket is u and the second bracket is v. Now differentiate this. Now we are applying a product rule. So I will explain each and everything slowly. Dy upon dx is equal to u as it is. X square plus 1. U means x square plus 1. Differentiate 1 minus 2x square. Middle plus u into differentiation of v plus v into differentiation of u. The main concept is here we kept this as a constant. Before differentiation means we kept this as a constant. This we differentiated. Next, this we kept as it is, differentiated that. X square plus 1 as it is before differentiation in the bracket. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. Minus 2 as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Dot means it is a multiplication. Plus 1 minus 2x square. Here, what is the differentiation of x square? 2x. X square plus 1. This is minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x square into 2x. If you want, you can remove the bracket and simplify, otherwise keep as it is. If you write as it is also no problem. Here they are simple terms, that's why I am removing a bracket. X square into minus 4x is minus 4x cube. This plus into minus is minus, and there, correct or not? Minus 4x cube is minus 8x cube, and it is minus 2x. Question number 46. Y is equal to again, this is U, this is V. In marking, if I did the number mistake, please make the correction of that. This is 1 plus root x. In the bracket, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. It becomes plus 1 by x square because already minus is there. And differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of root x is 1 by root x. 0 plus 1 by 2 root x means finally we can write 1 by 2 root x. So now I am not multiplying because the terms are not cancelling anyway. Please write the question number correctly, and just I will give the star mark here. Y is equal to 2x cube minus 1. See, this is U, this is V. Differentiating with respect to x. First I will apply U into V product rule here. It is cube. I am not writing giving any expression, just writing because I know that you are familiar. U into differentiation of V plus V into differentiation of U. Is 14x and 1 is 0, I am not writing. This is before differentiation, so I kept as it is. And this is 6x square. If you want, you multiply and remove the bracket, just write down. Next question. Yes, take a pencil and mark which is U and which is V. This is U, this is V. Correct or what? First product root, x square as it is, differentiation of sin x plus sin x, differentiation of x square. First step is always we have to write the basic formula. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Next question. Yes, which is u? This is u, this is v. First apply product rule. U into differentiation of v. And middle plus comes, remember that is important. This is 1 minus x square. What is differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. And it is 0 minus 2x. So I am writing the next simplified steps here. This time writing minus, I took minus here, 1 minus x square into sin x, and this plus into minus is minus 2x into cos x. Next question. X cube in the bracket 3 cot x minus 5. See, this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Three constant differentiation of cot is minus cosecant square. And this is a constant 0, so I am not writing. This is 3x square. If you want, you can write one more step here. Minus 3x cube. Don't mix with angle. Next question. Y is equal to. First, if you are able to mark u and v, so half of the problem solved there only. This is u, this is v. And apply that u product rule here. 1 plus x raised to 4 as it is. Differentiation of tan x plus tan x as it is. So this is the formula. Now write on that differentiation. Because of confusion in number, I put the star mark for question. What is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x plus tan x as it is. In the bracket I wrote 1 is 0, x to the power 4 is 4x cube. So I'm not keeping as it is because the students will get the confusion and they will mix these two. No, write it like this. Next question. Y is equal to x log x. This is u, this is v. Dy upon dx is x into differentiation of log x. Next step, log x as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x. See, x is before differentiation, keep as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. This x and this x get cancelled. Next question. Y is equal to, this is u, this is v. This is uv. What is the differentiation of e raised to x? E raised to x. And this differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. Here x square I took, e raised to x I took common. Next question. X cube into sin x plus 2x square into cos x minus 7. See, this is u into v, this is u into v, and that is constant. How you write then? Differentiating with respect to x. First for this u into v, x cube into differentiation of sin x plus sin x into differentiation of x cube. After that middle plus, again for this u into v, 2x square differentiation of cos x plus cos x differentiation of 2x square minus 0. Just write down that you have a formula list with you. See that formula. After doing the examples, you will be perfect in formulas also. Till you are familiar, just watch that, refer that formula list. X cube as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is, differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 2x square as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Then moving to this plus cos x as it is. Differentiation of 2x square is 4x. See, when you observe these middle terms, plus into minus is minus. Are they exact similar or what? Similar. Only thing is 3x square sin x minus 2x square sin x. Simplify that. Moving to the next question. This is u, this is v. Differentiation of cos is minus, already minus is there, it becomes plus. See, this I kept as it is, I differentiated this, and this is before differentiation, so I kept as it is, differentiation, differentiated root x. Next. If you are able to identify which formula is applicable, then half of the problems are solved there only. Next question. X cube into e raised to x plus x square into log x plus 1. See student, this is u into v, this is u into v, plus 1 is 0. X cube I kept as it is. And differentiation of 1 is 0, that's why I am not writing. If you want, you can write this is 0. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus x square as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. It is e raised to x into x cube plus into x square plus x plus 2x into log x. Next, root x tan x log x. This is u v w. U v w. Differentiating with respect to x. See, dy upon dx is equal to root x into tan x as it is. time one term differentiation. Here I differentiated log x, here differentiated tan x. Now I am differentiating root x. Root x tan x as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus root x log x as it is. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus log x tan x as it is. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. The terms are not cancelling, so keep as it is. Next, y is equal to sin x into cos x. This is u, this is v, this is w. Cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Minus sin x into sin x is sin square x, and this minus comes here. This is cos square x. There is no change. These terms will be as it is. And if you are thorough in the first year formula, here you can take e raised to x common. You can write cos square x minus sin square x. First I wrote plus, then I wrote minus. This I kept as it is. Yes, what is cos square x minus sin square x? Have you remembered? If you remembered, write down the formula. Otherwise, don't take the tension. Stop it here only. Moving to the next question. X square as it is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Here sin x, differentiation of x square is 2x. Next question. X square into cos x. Students, can you solve this? Just solve these two questions. This is u, this is v. This is u, this is v. Only just for practice, I gave you as a these two questions, u into v.